Hello students, I am Pallavi Deshmukh. Welcome all of you in today's session. From today, we are going to start with our BSc second year semester 3rd chemistry practicals. So let's start with the first experiment. The aim of the proposed experiment is to prepare zero point 0.1 normal H2SO4 solution and find out its exact normality using NaOH as an intermediate solution and zero point 0.1 normal oxalic acid as a standard solution. The apparatus which are needed for the experiment is burette, pipette, conical flask, volumetric flask, weighing bottle and funnel. Solutions and reagents which are used is oxalic acid 0.1 normal, 0.1 normal NaOH solution, 0.1 normal H2SO4 solution and phenolphthalein as an indicator. The theory behind this practical, this is the example of simple acid-base titration which is used to determine the concentration of an acid or the base by exactly neutralizing the acid or the base with an acid or the base of known concentration. This allows for the quantitative analysis of the concentration of an unknown acid or the base solution. It makes use of an neutralization reaction that occurs between the acid and the bases. Now the procedure. In the first step, we have to prepare 0.1 normal oxalic acid solution. And for that, we have to note down the weight of empty, clean and dry weighing bottle. After that, add an approximately 0.65 gram of the oxalic acid into the empty weighing bottle and note down the weight. Now, transfer the substance from the weighing bottle to the 100 ml of volumetric flask with the help of the funnel and note down the weight of weighing bottle after transferring the compound. Now dissolve the oxalic acid in the minimum quantity of water and make up the volume up to the mark. Now this is the standard oxalic acid solution. This whole process are represented in the presented slide. Second step involves the preparation of unknown H2SO4 solution. For that, pipette out 10 ml of H2SO4 solution from the stock solution which is already prepared and transfer it into 100 ml of volumetric flask and make up the volume up to the mark using the distilled water. This is the unknown H2SO4 solution. The next step is the standardization of unknown H2SO4 solution by the standard NaOH. For that, fill the burette with the standard NaOH solution. Now, pipette out 10 ml of H2SO4 solution in a clean conical flask and add 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Now, the solution becomes colorless. Run the standard NaOH solution from the burette slowly into the flask and shake well after each addition. Continue the addition of standard NaOH solution till the solution becomes light pink. Repeat the titration till 3 constant readings are obtained. This figure shows the whole process of titration. Now the observations and calculations. Weight of the empty weighing bottle is 17 gram. Weight of the weighing bottle plus oxalic acid is 17.65 gram. Weight of the weighing bottle plus remaining oxalic acid which is left after transferring the oxalic acid from weighing bottle to the volumetric flask is 17.01 gram. So the weight of oxalic acid taken is 0.64 gram. Mass of the oxalic acid dissolved in 1000 ml of this solution is calculated by using the formula, that is weight of oxalic acid taken into 10. The calculated value is 6 gram per liter. And from that, the normality of the oxalic acid can be calculated by using the formula, that is strength upon equivalent weight. And the equivalent weight of the oxalic acid is 63 gram. By putting all these values in the formula, we get the normality of oxalic acid which is 0.1 normal. This table is for the standardization of NaOH by the standard oxalic acid solution, and from this table we can be concluded that 0.8 ml of the NaOH is required to neutralize the 10 ml of oxalic acid solution. By putting these values The normality of the NaOH solution can be calculated by using the simple formula, that is N2 is equal to N1 into V1 divided by V2. By putting these values in the formula, we get the normality of NaOH solution, which is 0.102 normal. This table is for the standardization of unknown H2SO4 solution by standard NaOH. From this table, it is seen that for neutralizing the 10 ml of the H2SO4 solution, 9.9 ml of the standard NaOH is required. These values, the normality of the unknown H2SO4 solution can be calculated by using the same formula, that is N3 is equal to N2 into V4 divided by V3. By putting all these values, we get the normality of unknown H2SO4 solution, which is 0.10 normal. By knowing the normality of the unknown H2SO4 solution, the strength of the unknown H2SO4 solution can be calculated by using the simple formula, that is normality into its equivalent weight, and the equivalent weight of the H2SO4 is 49.03 grams. So by putting these values, the strength of unknown H2SO4 solution can be calculated, which is 4.903 gram per liter. So the result is the strength of unknown H2SO4 solution was found to be 4.903 gram per liter. Thank you so much.